guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today's video is going to be a mid-year sale haul. If you follow this channel for a while now, you would know that I only do my shopping twice a year, and that is during the sale. So the mid-year sale just ended or is currently ongoing, and so I have a little shopping haul to show you guys. In this haul, I'm going to be showing you guys the items that I got on sale from Zara, COCO, and Veja. But before anything else, if you're new here, welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. If these are the kinds of videos that you like watching, I would really appreciate it if you could hit that subscribe button down below. And if you want to connect with me in my socials, it's at TrishDLF. Okay, so this year I really tried curating my closet. I started to catalog my clothes and I realized that I'm not actually able to use everything, and I also realized that I do have a lot of clothes. I actually got rid of a lot, so I decided that I wanted to be more sustainable with what I'm consuming. So when it comes to clothes now, I tend to be more picky when it comes to adding new things in my closet. Also, because I have so much clothes, even after I've cataloged and got rid of a lot of my clothes, I decided that for every new piece of clothing that I add into my wardrobe, I have to get rid of 2. But I did kind of buy a lot, so I'm not sure if I'm going to end up following that. But yeah, hopefully I can get rid of a few more things in my closet after adding these items. So in this haul, because I am trying to lead a more sustainable lifestyle, you will see more of basics and more eco-friendly / sustainable clothing items. So aside from Zara, I also have stuff from COCO and Veja, which are considered to be very sustainable clothing brands. So yeah, I'm going to show you guys the items later. But for now, let's start with the brand that I got the most of, and as usual, it's Zara. So these are the paper bags that I got from Zara, and yeah, it's quite a lot. Because I am showing you guys a lot of items today, I'm probably not going to do a try on anymore because it's going to be a lot of work and not much people even watch my haul. So yeah, I'm just going to be going through all the items very briefly. So the first items I'm going to show you shoes, well, sandals that I got from Zara. I just got 2 pairs, and they are those like Oran wannabe sandals. So I have this blue one and this tan one. So let's start with the blue one. So this one, they're just blue slides. These styles of sandals are so in right now, I guess because of the Oran and then the Saint Laurent New Pieds sandals. Yeah, all the brands are doing these types of sandals. So obviously you'd expect Zara to have a dupe of them. These ones I got on sale. These were originally like 2,600 pesos and I got them for 1,995. So just like 600 pesos off, which is actually not bad. So it's not half off, but it's good enough, I guess. And these are leather. So even the other sandals are leather, so I like that because that means that it's going to last longer. So yeah, these are just the print. I think it's really cute. It's just like this embossed design. And I don't really buy colored shoes. I usually tend to go for neutral shoes, but I bought these because they match my FENDI bag. So I'll show you guys. So this is my FENDI PEEKABOOS. And when I saw these sandals in almost similar color, I was like, oh my gosh, that would look so cute. So on cam, this is a little darker. The shade is a little bit different, but it's close enough because it's a little bit of like that light blue vibe. So when I saw this, I immediately thought like, wow, those would match so well with my new FENDI PEEKABOOS. So that's why I got them. And I think they would make such a cute pair, right? And then I also got these tan or brown sandals. These are also in leather, and look at this design. This is so cute. And actually I checked the store just the other day. I went back and these are already back on regular price. This was also 2,595 and I got it for 1,995. So same price as the blue ones. So these ones are closer to the Hermes sandals. I forget the type of sandals. I'll just put it down below, but they have a similar design with like the round thingies. It's not the Oran, it's a different style. And I think that one's in rubber, but they also have like these 3 circles going around. But yeah, I think Zara copied that. I currently have no budget for designer sandals right now, so these will do. I think that this will go with a lot of cute summer outfits, although it's not summer anymore, but yeah. Like I can imagine this with a lot of tan clothes, like beige, tans, whites. Yeah, very cute summer fit, and like lots of linen. Yeah, this is like a very linen type shoe. Okay, now we go on to the clothes, and this is quite a lot, so be ready. I'll start with the t-shirts. Yeah, I have quite a few shirts in here. Okay, I'll start with the tops first. So I got these 2 plain t-shirts. Well, slogan t-shirts. And for these ones, I really waited for them to go on sale. I even remember going to Zara one time when it wasn't on sale yet. And I took pictures of these two shirts. They were still regular price, and I sent it to my friend's group chat. And I was like, oh my gosh, these shirts are so cute. But I told them that I was gonna wait for it to go on sale because I never buy regular from Zara. So yeah, I took pictures, and then when they finally went on sale, I came back for them. So these are exactly the same shirt. It's just a different logo. So for this one, this just says hiking is the best plan, and I like hiking. People judge me when I say that I like hiking, but my friends are always like, yeah, whatever, like you don't really like hiking. And I feel so pretentious whenever I say that I like hiking, but I actually do. It's actually super fun. I'm like the master of walking. Like I will literally walk anywhere, and whenever my friends and I travel, I'm always like, yeah, we can walk there. I'm the type of girl that when we travel, I'm gonna be like, yeah, it's walkable, and then you're gonna be walking with me for like 30 minutes and you're still not there. Like, yeah, I'm the type of person. I love walking and even hiking. So when my friends go hiking with me, they're actually pretty shocked that we do long distances, because I think that if they hike with me, it's not gonna be that bad, because you know, like I'm this girly girl and I probably only do like short, easy distances. But no, I really go hardcore when I hike. So yeah, that's why I love the shirt, because I'm known in my friend group as the girl who likes to hike and will literally climb any mountain. So this one, what I like with this shirt is that it's embroidered. The thing with other slogan shirts is that it's printed, so it tends to like get ruined right away. But I really like this shirt because the quality looks really good, plus it's embroidered, so I know that it'll last me quite some time. Speaking of sustainability, right? And then the next shirt, it's exactly the same shirt. So it's actually the same fit and style, but it just says I'm not posting today. So you can see, and it's also embroidered. And this one is also kind of an inside joke, which is why I like this shirt, because I tend to post everything. Like literally I go anywhere and I will have like a million stories about that one night, or not even like a night, like any event, any dinner, any clubbing, I'm always posting something on my stories. So this kind of just like an ironic shirt, and it will be so fun to wear when I decide to actually one day not post anything. So yeah, it's a cute shirt. I'm not posting today. Oh, and these two shirts, they were originally $895 and I got them for $695. So I only got like 200 pesos off of these shirts. I waited for them to go on sale and got 200 pesos off. But I feel like that's not bad because I bought two. So I got 400 pesos off technically. So yeah, that's fair enough. I mean, better than buying at full price, right? Okay, and then next is just another plain shirt. Now this one is just like a plain beige. Yeah, it's like a light beige shirt with like folds on the sleeves, and honestly, it's not that much. I basically got this because again, I'm trying to curate my closet to make it more like neutral and more wearable for every day. I'm trying to get items that will last me longer, but things that I can actually wear a lot of times without it like dating or trending too much. So having lots of plain clothes is really great because you can wear them again and again and people won't really notice. The material of this is also pretty thick. That's why even if it's such a plain shirt, and you can probably get this type of shirt anywhere, I bought it because I know that it's gonna last me long. So that's another thing when it comes to shopping. I really look at the quality of the cloth. I look at the thickness because I can gauge whether it's going to last me a long time or if it's worth it, just basing it on the quality and the material of the item. So for this item, I got it for $895 and it was originally $1,295. Okay, and then I got another basic, and I actually really love this top. It's this black tuxedo top. So this is just what it looks like. It's really nice. It's currently washing me out because of the black, but basically this is what it looks like. The quality of this looks very nice as well, and I know that this is something that I can wear over and over again. So what I really like about this is how tailored it is. It has this like pocket detail on the side. I'm not sure if you can see that, but I really love this detail because it makes it look so polished, even if it's just like a plain tuxedo top. And at the back, it also has this like belt detail over here, which you can adjust to make it more fitted to you. So you can either wear it loose or have it more fitted. So for this one, I also like it because aside from being able to wear it just like as a plain top, you can also unbutton this and then you can wear it with like a t-shirt inside. But both looks I find look really nice with this top. So this one is probably my favorite purchase out of the clothing items because yeah, it's really cute and I love the fit and style of it and how tailored it is. For this one though, it was kind of a bit more expensive. This used to be $2,295 and I got it for $1,495. And then next, and this one is more of like a fun top. It's not a neutral, but it's this green top from Zara. So this entire time I kept talking about neutrals and sustainability, but I only shop twice a year and I thought that this would be good for the Christmas season already. So I'm already shopping for Christmas because I don't buy anything anymore to wear when it comes to the Burr month. So yeah, this is probably for Christmas season, Christmas, birthday, or New Year. This one's just a crop top and it's a tweed type of material and it has these like button details on the sides which make it look so cute. So yeah, this one's just a tweed crop top and I think that it'll look really nice for the Christmas season. And then this one, because it's more of like a cute dinner top, it's the same price as the black one. It's from $2,295 down to $1,495. So but this is more of like an event top and I don't think I'll be able to reuse this as much as the neutral colored ones. Okay, so we're done with the tops. Now we'll go on to the bottoms. And I only got 2 items for the bottoms. These are both still from Zara. So the first one are these high-waisted shorts. Again, I'm getting washed out because of the automatic coloring of the camera, but basically this is what they look like. As you can see, they're just regular high-waisted shorts with like gold buttons on both sides and pockets. We love pockets. Actually, there's not much to this. It's a long type of high-waisted shorts, which is why I really like it because it's more of like a skirt already. It's more of a skirt vibe. The material on this is also really good. It's pretty thick, so I know it's gonna last me a while. This is a great neutral, and as you can see, the style and the fit of it, it's very classic, so I know that I can wear this a lot of times and I can definitely reuse these shorts. These shorts were actually the same price as the tops, so from $2,295 to $1,495. I feel like this is a better deal though than the tops because tops you can only wear for how many times, but with bottoms you can wear them over and over again and people aren't gonna notice. So I think this is a better deal for that price. And then last for the bottoms, I also got a tan pair of high-waisted shorts. So this is just what they look like, and this one is cool because it comes with a belt, but the belt isn't leather, it's just a typical polyvinyl chloride. So more or less this belt will eventually crack, but for now it'll do since it's actually a pretty cute design. Look at this. It's like just the gold belt buckle detail, which will also tarnish I'm sure in the future, but yeah, it's just cool that it comes built in with this brown belt. So yeah, this one again is just typical high-waisted shorts with pockets at the back. And again, very classic. I'm trying to curate my closet with more of classic designs that I can wear again and again. And this is one of the items that I think will make my wardrobe. Wow, this one is actually cheaper. This one used to be $1,995 and it's now $1,295. So yeah, I think this would look really good with like a plain white shirt. And actually even, you know, this will match these shoes and these shorts and then like the white shirt that I showed you guys earlier. I think that's just such a look and I think it will be a great outfit, right? Don't you guys think? Okay, so we're done with the Zara items. Now we'll go more into the basics. I still have stuff from COCO and Gap for the clothes. So the first item is from Gap and it's just a plain white shirt. This is called the Soft, what do you call this? Forever Soft shirt. I got this from Zara, but I don't have the pricing anymore. I don't have the sale price anymore because I don't think Zara puts the sale price when they ship the items. But the regular price was $1,250. So I'm not sure if this was like 30% off or what. But yeah, definitely I got this on sale. So I bought this shirt because it said Forever Soft basically. And I love plain clothes that are very comfortable. But this one in specific was a replacement for another white shirt that I have because I'm trying to be sustainable. I mentioned that whenever I buy something, I have to get rid of something. But for this one, it was the other way around. The white shirt that I had, which I replaced this with, I think it was a Uniqlo white shirt, but I had that since like 2017 and I noticed that it was starting to get really loose already. Like it looked really big on me because of all the washes. The cloth and the material just, it wasn't form-fitting anymore. It just looked like really sad on me. So I knew I had to replace that, and so that's the only reason why I bought a new plain white shirt, because that plain top from Uniqlo wasn't fitting me anymore. So for that shirt, I just got rid of that already because it's not good to have really old raggedy clothes in your closet. So I just threw that away and replaced it with this one. Okay, then we go on to COS. Now if you are a follower of sustainable clothing and sustainable living, COS is one of the brands that pride themselves in like sustainable clothes. They have good labor practices, which is why their clothes are very expensive. So regular price, I really wouldn't be able to buy any stuff from COS because they're like way too expensive. But because they were on sale, I also got them from Zara. I got them at really great prices. So the first item that I got from COS is this wool cardigan. I just basically really wanted to try the brand out, if their items are really long lasting and have great quality. Because for the price, like, yeah, I really have to check out the quality first. So I just bought 2 items just to test it out first. But so far it looks like it's in really good quality. I'm not sure like after a wash, like what this is gonna look like after a wash. Again, this is just a neutral item. It's a neutral piece for my wardrobe. This one is organic cotton. This is 100% cotton, and I don't know if that makes a big difference, but yeah, the quality looks nice so far. It's very heavy and it definitely looks durable, so we will see. And I like this because it's just a really cute lounge sweater, like for days when you just feel lazy and you want to look like this cute but chic girl, like, you know, like the lazy vibe. You can just wear this and it just makes you look like very homey, very casual, very loungy. So this is a great sweater, I feel like, and even the sleeves. It's a really good fit. And then next is this plain black one. Now this one is wool, I think, like it has a percentage of wool. This one just says better wool. So this one is a softer material, obviously because it's wool, but this one is more of like a wrap around sweater rather than this one that has buttons. So this one, let me check with the tag. For this specific sweater, it's 51% wool, 33% alpaca, and 16% polyamide. For this one, it's definitely soft, but honestly, I'm not in that level yet where I can tell what real wool feels like versus other types of material. Like if I bought this exact same cardigan from Zara, I can't really tell the difference if it's wool or if it's another material. So yeah, you're basically paying for the material and the comfortability of it, but I have yet to be in that level where I can tell what a specific material feels like on your body. Because you can get this for like what, 1,000 pesos in Zara when it's on sale, but this one was expensive. Regular price, I forget. For these 2 items, I don't have the prices. I'll just put them down below. But yeah, regular price, these were like over 5,000 pesos, and I definitely did not pay that amount for these. So this one's just a wraparound, as you can see, and that's what it looks like. Okay, and last but not least, I have these shoes from Veja. Now this video is getting long, so I'm just gonna do like a quick reveal of the shoes, and then I'm gonna do an actual separate unboxing and quick review of the shoes because I feel like it needs an entirely separate video for this. So in my next video, I'm probably gonna be doing like a full unboxing / first impressions review of these shoes because there's quite a lot to say about it, and then I'm also gonna be talking about the sizing and other things in that video. So if you're interested in these shoes, just watch out for that. But these are the Veja sneakers, and they are in these are the V10 leather sneakers. So these ones got famous because of Meghan Markle. She wore it once and paparazzi took a photo, and next thing you know, like these went wild, like everyone wanted a pair. Now this is what it looks like inside, and it comes with this like newspaper thingy, and I think it talks about more of like the shoes. I'll talk more about this in the video that I'll be posting, but these are basically what the sneakers look like. So these are the sneakers. These are the V10, just regular plain white sneakers with like a Veja logo on them. These are all leather, and they are also a sustainable brand. So in the video where I'm going to be doing a first impressions of this, I'm going to be diving more into that. But yeah, also a sustainable brand, which is why a lot of people love these shoes. I feel like it's a new Stan Smith, but not everyone really knows about it yet. It's like an underground sneaker that the only really hardcore fashion girls know, but eventually I know that these sneakers will be on everyone's feet, just like how the Stan Smiths were and like the superstars. Again, I will do a full review of this in my next video, so watch out for that because this haul video is getting a little bit too long. So there you have it. That was my mid-year sale haul. I hope you guys enjoyed. As you can see, I'm starting to accumulate a lot of neutrals and quality clothing to add into my closet. If you compare my hauls from before versus this one, you would notice that before I used to do a lot of trendy pieces, lots of color, lots of print, very fashion girl aesthetic. But I realized this year that I really wanted to stop contributing going to waste. And again, I didn't want to keep on feeding into that consumer society of ours. I think I'm gonna be doing an entirely separate video on this, like sustainability and the whole thing about consumerism, because yeah, I just realized that I didn't want to keep on wasting anything anymore, especially after cataloging my clothes and throwing so much stuff away. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, I would really appreciate it if you could hit that like button down below to help the YouTube algorithm, and if you want to connect with me on my socials, it's at ChurchDLF. If you haven't subscribed yet, I would really appreciate it if you could, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!